Philipsburg's wastewater treatment ponds were tested Thursday to evaluate the amount of organic material currently residing in them. Dan Reddish, member of the Philipsburg Town Council, oversaw the testing with members of the Montana Rural Waters looking on. According to Reddish, the testing is the result of an 8-year process where the city was told it may have to build a physical treatment plant at a cost of $7 million. The city sought other options since that time and have worked with the Montana Department of Environmental Quality to arrive at a more manageable solution. The solution includes the possible use of biochemical augmentation, which introduces bacteria into the ponds which feed on the organic matter and reduces the levels naturally. That process, as opposed to the physical dredging the ponds, will save Philipsburg residents about $1 million. Wastewater technician Roger Scogan of Montana Rural Water spoke to QSBN about the process.
We're going to take some sludge samples to determine depth for removal with bacteria augmentation, basically, or if we have to go mechanical means and remove it that way, it'll help on cost estimates to remove the sludge.
So this has been about 5-6 years since this has been done?
Yes.
And so technically the ponds are getting, quote-unquote, a little full of it.
Yes, to put it mildly, and it will help determine a lot of things towards the removal of the sludge, as I say, either through the bioaugmentation or through mechanical means.
And so that process, the biochemical
augmentation,
that portion of it then is a much cheaper process than the mechanical.
Yes.
And so is that something that the city would bear or that the state bears, or how does that come in?
Generally, the city will bear that cost. They can go out for funding on that, but as a general rule, it's going to be the city cost to bioaugment or to add those chemicals.
Technicians judge the sludge, as they call it, by using a pole to measure the amount of water, sludge, and natural material in the ponds. They then send their samples off for testing to determine if biochemical augmentation can be used, and if so, what the correct chemical composition to handle the problem will be. That testing will take several months. Reporting for QSPN Live, this is Tim Allen.